It's a local traditional food. We call it a Tajin. It's with the chicken, with the lamb, and yeah, it's a local Tajin food. It's very famous in Morocco. And then we'll have it with the lamb one, with the chicken. It's Tajin. So inside is very nice. And we are on the roadside going to Meknes. It's a local bread.
This is your first time to visit our village?
Yeah. You speak good English, brother.
Yeah,
I'm from Pakistan, alhamdulillah.
I know.
Muslim.
Muslim. Oh.
Yeah, that's good.
That
Wow.
is chicken, big one.
Okay. Give us a smaller one because we
Small one?
we did this one, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. With the beef?
Yeah.
Okay.
Beef and
Okay, we'll have this beef one.
okay. This is small chicken.
Beef is okay, beef is fine.
I know.
Okay.
Just for
Okay. Thank you.